Hello, everybody. It's 1:30 in the morning, and I got hungry, and I thought, why not make a snack? And so I went perusing in my kitchen. I found in my cabinet one solitary box of macaroni and cheese. So I'm making name brand macaroni and cheese because I am a broke graduate student that will inevitably have student loans to pay. And while I've been doing this, I've been waiting for the water to boil, and it looks like it's boiling. And I probably shouldn't be holding my phone over a boiling pot of water, but we like to take risks here. So now things have progressed. I put the noodles in the pot, and I set the timer for 8 minutes because that's how much the box told me it would take to make noodles. So that's what I'm doing. Life is so exciting. Yes, I know you were all dying to know I'm recording this on my phone because my camera has completely died now. Like the remnants of my soul. I'm waiting for the noodles to make. I'm watching Harry Potter and doing laundry. Now I have to turn away because Harry Potter is a copyrighted entity that I don't own. Noodles are now done, and I strained the water, but I didn't show you because it's hard to maneuver a phone and try to make food sometimes. Okay. So I strained the water and put the noodles back in the bowl. This is very similar to my spaghetti videos. If you want a more in-depth explanation on how to make noodles, check out my spaghetti video or my sketty video. Okay. Next, the box tells me to put in the fake cheese and like milk and other stuff. Then once you put in the milk and the cheese powder and whatever else you want to put in there, you just stir the goop around. I mean, it's really that simple. It's not too complicated. I mean, if you wanted to make these noodles, I don't think you would need to watch a video like this to make them. I mean, it tells you how to do it right on the box. I mean, it's really, really easy. I mean, anybody could do it. I mean, if I could do it, I mean, you could do it. The next logical step would be to go downstairs and change your clothes from the washer to the dryer. And that was somehow really hard for my brain to say. Okay. Now the next step would be to plate your mac and cheese, and before you dig in, take a moment to think about the great mysteries of the world. Think about how you got here, why you got here. Think about that weird thing you did in middle school. Oh, and then just eat and watch your favorite copyright content. Have a good night.
Also, don't forget to get your laundry from the dryer.